When it comes to project management, Notion versus Asana is a debate that often comes up. But which one is actually better for your needs? In this video, I'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both to help you make a more informed decision. Let's start with Notion. At first glance, Notion is often praised for its flexibility. It's not just a project management tool, it's a knowledge management system that can handle a wide variety of tasks. From creating wikis to setting up databases, Notion offers incredible customization options that many teams love. However, this flexibility can be a double-edged sword. While it's great if you're tech-savvy or enjoy building your own systems, it can also be overwhelming for beginners. The learning curve is steep, and setting up a proper workflow can take a lot of time. If you just need a simple task manager, this could quickly become frustrating. Next thing, Asana is a tool that prides itself on being intuitive and straightforward. With its easy-to-use interface and simple task management system, Asana is ideal for teams that want to hit the ground running without too much setup. Asana does offer various features like project timelines, task dependencies, and calendar views. But here's the catch: while it's easy to use, some users feel that Asana lacks the depth of customization that Notion offers. So, if you're working on complex projects or need more control over your workflows, Asana might feel a bit restrictive. The third thing to consider is integrations. Notion is fairly limited when it comes to integrations with other tools. You'll find some, like Google Drive and Slack, but the options are relatively few. This means that if your team relies heavily on other software, you might find Notion to be somewhat isolated. Asana, on the other hand, excels in this area. It integrates with a wide variety of third-party apps, which can really streamline your processes and ensure that your project management system fits into your existing ecosystem. Moving on to collaboration features. Notion is great for teams that need to share documents and collaborate in real time. You can easily comment on specific parts of a page, but the collaboration tools are a little more basic compared to Asana. Asana, on the other hand, shines in this department. It's built with teamwork in mind, offering features like task assignments, due dates, and notifications that keep everyone on track. This makes it an excellent choice for teams that need a more structured approach to collaboration. And finally, while both tools have free versions, Notion's free plan is surprisingly generous. You get access to pretty much everything, including unlimited pages and blocks, which is impressive. Asana, however, restricts a few key features, such as timeline views, to its paid plans, so you might need to upgrade sooner than you'd like if you want access to all of the premium features. In conclusion, both Notion and Asana have their strengths and weaknesses. Notion offers incredible flexibility and customization, but it might be overkill for teams looking for simplicity. Asana is straightforward, with excellent collaboration tools and integrations, but it might feel a little too rigid for those needing more control over their workflow. However, after trying both of these tools myself, I've found a better alternative for project management that combines the best of both worlds. If you're looking for a solution that offers flexibility without overwhelming you, and strong collaboration features without the learning curve, check out the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.